This is Hans Laser Jinan factory, located in Jinan high-tech zone. We are responsible for R&D manufacturing, sales, and service of laser processing machines with board card-based control systems. All products are CE certified. Coil fade and H-beam cutting production lines are manufactured at our Shenzhen factory. The MPSC series exchange table laser cutting machine can be fitted with automatic loading and unloading system to realize automated production. The MPSD series is a highly cost-effective single-platform laser cutting machine, capable of meeting the vast majority of sheet metal processing requirements. The MPST series laser tube cutting machine features a modular design. It supports flexible configuration of fully automatic or semi-automatic loading devices and is well suited for tube cutting applications in the fitness equipment and bus manufacturing industries. Welcome to come to our factory for sample cutting demonstrations.